I just wanted to give you guys a little quick tutorial on the directions for the next big quiz so you're not thrown off by the instructions at all, so you're ready to go as soon as I post the exam. This will be straightforward and it will be a quick exam. All right, so notice the instructions, right? Just as I show in the preview, you will first be translating the English sentences into SL using the dictionary that I'll provide. I'll provide the dictionary. You will do that above the line. Then, and there will be quite a few sentences, then you will solve for the truth values of the sentence below the line using, notice here, there will be truth values for your basic sentences in your dictionary. So I would go one step at a time if I was you. I would translate all the sentences into SL, then go back and fill in the truth values, just so your brain is only working on one skill at a time. All right. So let's just do this example. Let's pretend we're taking this quiz. I'll go through it. Forgive the clumsy computer interface. All right. So first, I'm going to translate my sentence above the line into SL using this dictionary. What do? Step one, I underline all possible connectives. So I'm going through. I would underline if. Jeff is good at hygiene. Underline and. Right, there it is. And I would underline this comma then. Right? And do I see anything else that looks negative? Nope, it all looks positive. So I then read the sentence again, looking for the main connective, and that comma gives it away. There it is. Then is the main connective. So I'll put that in bold. If I'm you, I would draw a star over it. All right. So I am now ready to translate. So I move above my line, and I begin with my main connective. My main connective is that then. That's easy to translate. Now, forgive me, I need to find an arrow on my computer really quick. There's one. Insert. So there is my main connective, right? I will put it in bold. That doesn't really show up. I will underline it as well. Make sure that main connective stands out. All right. Now, because it's an arrow, I have to worry about order. So I have to make sure this thing is in left to right order, or I'll have to flip around the order of the sentence. Let's see this one. If Jeff is good at hygiene and has abundant hair, then this one is in left to right order, so I can leave it alone. Good. All right, so now I'm looking at this. On the left side, I see an and. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. That's obviously our ampersand sign. And an and does not affect order, so I can translate around that. I have already translated the if when I put in that arrow. So I need Jeff is good at hygiene. Let's see. In the dictionary, that's simply H. On the right side of the and, it says has abundant hair. That means Jeff's hair is abundant. That's A. Now, if I'm looking at this, I see that I need to isolate that main connective, so I'm going to fill in my parentheses right now. I'm filling in my parentheses. There they are. Now I'm ready to translate the right side. On the right side, it says he is cooler than his students. That is C. So let's double check. Is the main connective clear? Main connective is clear, so my sentence is fine. Then I look at my dictionary sentence because now I'm solving for truth values below the line. I look at my dictionary and I fill in the basic sentence letter values. In my dictionary, it says that H is false. It says that A is false. And it says that C is also false. I tried to use the truth values that you would guess at. Good? So now I solve for my connectives. I always start inside parentheses. I work from smallest to largest scope. And so I will start with this and here. An and is only true when both sides are true. So this and is false. Good? I will bold that. So, sorry. That is not how I wanted that to work. Good? I will bold that F. Right? So I know that it stands out. That value has replaced the other values in the parentheses. Then I work on C, right? I need to solve C before I can solve the main connective. And C is false. I will bold that as well so I can see what I'm comparing. I am simply left with the main connective, the conditional. A conditional is only false when ordered true then false. And so this or is true. I will try to make that stand out. I would circle it if this was a quiz. I'm going to draw it in bold and underline it. You will simply circle it. But so my main connective value is true. I am done with question one. That's how you will work on the big quiz coming up. I hope that was helpful.